No scapula.
No scapula.
And plus, what bone is that?
It's a femur.
That's the femur. That's the femur. So there's the head of the femur, and the head of the femur fits into the pelvis. What's that hole?
Acetabulum.
Acetabulum. Very good. Acetabulum. Okay. So the head of the femur fits into the acetabulum. So where would I stand if I was the horse's body? Be right here.
Like this?
So that is
Okay,
right.
so this is cranial, and so which leg is this?
Right.
Okay, so which is the lateral? Lateral's on this side, this is medial. Why do I keep asking you what the lateral of the medial is?
Because you're gonna ask.
Because everything depends on how everything's numbered. Okay, so if this is the medial, what is this bone? Metatarsal number 4. Exactly right. So remember, this is commonly called the cannon bone or metatarsal 3.
Okay.
So this is 4 and this is 2.
Are they still called splints? So the
Commonly called the split bone.
the medial side is.
That's where you
Start counting,
I'm gonna get skinny with
but they don't have that, so there's no 1.
So it's 2.
They
2, 3, 4. As long as you remember this is 3, then this is 2, and that's 4. Okay? So let's start at the top. We talked about the head of the femur, and it's not, you haven't done the, I haven't given you the handouts for the femur yet, but this one I actually called the greater trochanter. So don't confuse trochanter with tubercle. Okay?
So tubercle up front.
But just don't get those confused. So let's go distal to the femur is our first joint. Actually, what's this joint called? The hip joint.
Hip.
It's the hip joint. So down here is the
Stifle.
stifle.
Where the blue string is.
Yep, that's the joint. The stifle, and this little bone right here.
Isn't that like the patella?
That's exactly what it is. The patella. It's the patella. Okay, in the your patella. It's also just a little trivia here. It's the largest sesamoid bone.
Okay.
Largest sesamoid bone. So it's the patella. So what bone is this?
Tibia.
Tibia.
Is the patella the common name? And the
Or is-
sesamoid bone?
No, the common name is probably referred to. I don't know what it is referred to in horse,
Okay.
but in people it's referred to as the kneecap.
So in a horse, you would just ask us for patella.
And patella.
Okay.
It's the patella. In fact, in dogs, it's the patella, and really, the little tiny dogs really commonly
Luxating
you do
patella.
luxating patella. The patella slides
Yeah.
off its little groove.
My patella slides off.
Yeah. Yeah.
That
Yours
hurts.
does?
Yep.
I bet that's painful.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
It ended up over there.
Oh,
Yes,
what'd
you could
do?
see it. I popped it back into place.
Did you?
Yeah. Somebody pulled on my foot and it just went whoop. Back.
Okay, on the dog, the tibia and the fibula are very distinct, two different bones. On the horse and the cow, they're fused. Okay, so this is the tibia.
Okay.
This is the first joint distal to the tibia, and so what joint is that?
Tarsus.
It's the tarsus. Okay, what's the common name? Really, it's the hawk. So don't confuse.
So
In a dog, it's definitely the hawk. Yeah, don't confuse the hawk with this one, which is the fetlock.
So it's the hawk with common name, or no, the hawk is the joint.
Yeah.
The hawk is the common name.
For the joint.
anatomical name is the tarsus. What is this called?
Oh,
It's
I got that wrong.
calcaneus.
The calcaneus. Don't confuse the calcaneus with the olecranon process. Where's the olecranon process? On here.
Sort of.
Where is it on here? Not on here.
Not on that one.
Thoracic
It's a
limb.
good- Okay, it's only on the thoracic limb.
Only on the thoracic limb, okay?
Tricky.
So it looks like it, but it's not.
So what's it called? Calcaneus.
Calcaneus.
Calcaneus. The
Calcaneus.
olecranon process is on the
Y'all know what
thoracic.
this bone is?
Sesamoid?
This is my favorite bone. Yeah.
The ice cream bone?
Yes, it's common called the talus bone or tibial tarsal bone.
Tibial tarsal.
In the other lab, they asked, well, why is that your favorite bone? And my response was, well, what's not to like about it? It's just awesome. I love that bone. I don't know why. There's actually one over in the cabinet all by itself. I need to get it out. In fact, I can see it. Is that a little red?
String on
Yeah. I like holding it. It just feels like a nice. Throw it as a baseball. I just love it. Okay, so yeah, that's the talus.
It's right, head
Right.
lower.
Right there.
Eyeball little red string.
Oh yes.
Tibial tarsal bone.
Yeah. Or talus.
Talus.
Yes.
Talus.
Talisman.
It's just cool. Where is this in human way?
You're in your ankle, right?
Your ankle. It's basically ankle. I like the way it moves, the way it fits in there. It's just awesome.
Is there
All right.
your other side to it, like an ankle?
I've been known to ask that. What's your instructor's favorite bone?
So the anatomical name for that is the
Tibial
Tibial tarsal bone.
tibial.
And common is talus.
If I call it.
And the common name is just
No, talus is
Does
more
look cool.
short.
I know.
The common name in
finger.
Yeah, it's got a nice finger hold to it.
How do you spell talus?
It really beat somebody up with it.
I have brass knuckles at my house.
Huh?
I have brass knuckles at my house. My boyfriend. Stuff we moved his stuff from, or brought back his stuff from Colorado.
Yeah, don't.
He was like, I'm born.
Don't swear by it. Yeah, don't
He
hold
was
it.
like, yeah.
This is the. We already talked about that.
Use
What's
bone
the name?
knuckles. He's like, I used to have bone
Cannabone.
knuckles too.
And this one, common name? Fetlock. Oh, I didn't mention this. What's the common name of this joint? I forgot the joints over there. Common name.
Common? Interphalangeal. No, common.
Interphalangeal or phalangeal is the anatomical name. What's the common name? Okay, it's between the two pasterns, so it's the pastern joint.
Oh.
So it's between pastor and 3.
1 and 2.
Between 1 and 2. It's the pastern joint. Now this one is between the short pastern and the coffin bone, so this is called the coffin joint. Anatomically, this is the interphalangeal joint, and this is the distal phalangeal joint, or phalangeal. Oh, how to pronounce that? Common name for this bone?
Coffin?
Or distal phalanx?
See?
Distal phalanx is the anatomical name.
Did I forget anything?
This is like trying to remember the names of highways.
This one right here, the calcaneus, it also is on the, obviously it's caudal, but it's also on the lateral side. So if you didn't have a picture of this, you could still tell which is which. And besides, this is a very unique looking joint. So now that you know that that's the talus, you can compare it to the carpus and you realize,
Yeah,
oh, they
it's very
really
different.
don't really
Yeah.
look that much alike.
I'm not gonna remember that. What's that? Your favorite bone called?
Talus.
It's like a talisman.
Yeah, like a talisman.
That's the common name.
Talus.
That's a short, I don't know if there's a common name in a horse.
So that's a shortened anatomical name.
Yeah. I think I've seen some talus. If you want to be real technical, that's the tibial tarsal. Tibial tarsal bone. All right, let's go to the dog.